Hey, you guys, I have a new series which is Strong in 75, where we are rebuilding our credit, our body, and our mind. And I actually have some nice workbooks that is connected to it, which is amazing. So, what it is for 75 days, we are taking steps to rebuild our credit. And the goal is to get your credit scores over 180 points total. And I know that sounds crazy, but trust me, we can do this. It's more of like a hard boot camp. We are rebuilding our mind. We are making sure that we're doing things to make ourselves happier. And also, we are rebuilding our body, which is why we're drinking at least a gallon a day during the 75 days. Also, we are weighing ourselves. So, let me give you an example. Here is one of the days in our workbook. This is day 18. Down here, you have to track what your credit score is. Every day, you see at the bottom, you'll have a tracker. You have to track your weight here. And then we also have a section where you can talk about 3 things that you're grateful for. And then also, did you drink your gallon of water every day? What's the date? And then, did you exercise at least 45 minutes? Now, I have a full playlist on this that we're going to go over. So you guys can watch each day in the playlist, day 1 through 75. Every day I'm in the trenches with you guys, doing everything that needs to be done in the actual book. So there is a PDF version of this, and it's an actual workbook that you guys can get a copy of. You can get it down below in strongin75.com. So go ahead and check that out. But let me show you some results, because I want you guys to make sure that you will be confident during this process, because it is a lot. So I want to show you guys 97-point increase, a 43-point increase. You can see right here, accounts being removed from credit reports, which is nice. 39-point increase, 90 points increase. Are you guys starting to feel like you guys can actually do this? These are actual results from some of my current or previous clients, and I just wanted to show you this to motivate you. But let me tell you this process is going to take work. I do have my membership where I can actually help you do some of the work within here, but it is going to be a lot of stuff that you have to do on your own. But if you go through the process, I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to be so thankful of it. Now, when you see things like this where it says 90 points increase, this came off of Credit Karma. So remember, Credit Karma will never tell you 90 points increase unless it's within a day or maybe even a week, because every day Credit Karma is going to update, right? So you can see that you can really increase your credit score a lot. And I give you so many tips. Every day is something that you have to do to actually push forward to get your credit score to go up and up and up. Let me show you some more results. Inquiries. We work to remove inquiries also. You also are going to see more inquiries being removed from credit reports. This is something that we're working on. Accounts being removed. So Verizon, Fingerhut. We also have Navy Federal on there if you guys messed up with them at all before. Credit One Bank. So you see that there is companies on here that we're actually working to remove from the credit reports, even Kickoff. So if you guys messed up with Kickoff in the past, you're trying to get a reboot, you once tried to build your credit, here we are here. We're working on it, and it's going to be in Strong in 75. And after this, I'm going to make sure that you guys can actually start the series. And also, you'll see things popping up saying start the series, start the series, start the series. So definitely start the series. Now, the thing is, I don't want you guys to skip any days. Every day is very, very important. Every day, I'm going to tell you guys something that you need to do. And also, I have a video that's attached to it where I'm actually teaching you guys what to do. Do not skip these steps. It's very, very important. Now, when you get your workbook, whether it's going to be an actual workbook copy or if it's going to be digital, I want you guys to actually take time to write in it. And I also have sections where every week after 7 days, I have a spot where you guys can take notes, because it's some homework that you're probably going to have to do. And then I also want you to do a weekly reflection. So I want you to talk about what changed with your credit, your body, your mind for that week. What actually felt hard and what actually surprised you, and then what is you going to keep doing next week. So figure out what was actually working for you and continue to do those things the following week. Now let me show you guys some more results, because I want you guys to be really motivated. Okay, so here's some more results. We're paying down debt. I told you guys inside the series, you'll see that utilization is very, very important. Now, I say that utilization was the thing that I wanted to work on, but look, y'all, look how quick this was. Look how much they paid down. Look how much they paid on their debt. This thing decreased what, 600 and something dollars, and their credit score went up 77 points. I'm telling y'all the secret sauce to actually increase your credit score. So if this is something you need to do, you want to have a new best friend, me, then definitely come along with the journey, because I tell you step by step, day by day, what you all have to do. Now let's look at some more results, because I need you to stay motivated. I need you to know that this can be for you. If you notice your credit score is low and you want to actually take the steps to increase it, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Now, another one, 129 points. Oh my gosh. And here is some more accounts being removed from the credit reports. So NCA, that's a collection company. Kohl's, First Premier Bank, Midland, that's a collection company also. Kohl's, those are charge-offs being removed. And when you guys get these accounts removed from your credit reports, that's going to help you guys get approved for credit cards. But I don't think I need to show y'all credit card approvals, but I'm going to show you guys those too, because I have a lot of things on my website, Rickita.com, where you guys will be able to see all of these different things. So let me show you guys some more results, because we need to make sure that you guys understand that these results are real and that you guys can actually get it too, by just making sure that you're following along with this workbook. So 87 point increase, which is amazing. Look at this right here, 113 points. And now they say you still need work, but guess what? Where did they start at? If your credit score went up 113 points, where was your credit score at first? We all have to start somewhere. The goal is to start and start to build it. Now 90 points increase, 52 points increase. And then two, I have some more results here that I definitely want to show you all. Now, again, I told you guys you can go to strongin75.com. Now, as I'm recording it, this is what the website looked like. I'm going to actually put this video as the first video as a reminder so that you guys can stay on track though. I'm going to put this video that I'm recording here as the first video, but this is what the website looked like right now. So this is what the website looks like right now. So on the website, Strong in 75, you'll see right here where you can actually get a copy of the workbook. So I definitely suggest you guys get a copy of the workbook. And then also you'll see where you guys can get a free dispute letter. Now in this free dispute letter, I have it all filled out here. So as you guys go through it, you'll see this is an actual dispute letter that we actually do together. It's episodes 9 through 11. We take 3 days to do these dispute letters to make sure that they're nice and detailed. But this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a free copy of a dispute letter that you guys can use. And then also is going to be inquiry. You're going to get inquiry removal, and then a letter that you guys can use for bankruptcy court, and then also a letter for collection companies when they're sending you things in the mail saying that you owe them money. So you guys are going to be able to have access to that. Again, go to strongin75.com. You'll see it on the screen. Now, as I'm recording this, we are not all the way done with Strong in 75, but I know I'm going to do this 75 days. Nothing's going to stop me. So you're going to see right here is going to be the complete Strong in 75 playlist. So literally, remember I told y'all every day, look, day 1, day 2. Day 2 got 2 separate videos because I did a recap in the beginning. And a lot of times you may see it where I actually show my day, show what's going on, what I'm doing. I was couponing during the time too, showing you guys how I was getting a lot of things for very, very cheap. Also day 3, 4, 5, you can see I go on and on. Now some days you're going to see this where I actually walk because we have to actually work out. So I do my workout with you all and I answer questions about the day. So if we have something I have to go over, I answer 30 questions about that day. So you can see right here I have a lot of videos, but it's going to be over 75 days when you guys finally come in. So we're on day 22 of Strong in 75. So I definitely want you guys to check it out. For those people that's like, oh, what do you mean dispute letters? What's going on? You have to send in letters to the credit bureaus if you guys have negative accounts on your credit reports that's inaccurate to work to get them removed. But we have it where you guys can get 6 months of free dispute letters. All you guys have to do is follow steps 1 through 5. And the 5th step is actually just to call us, 833 Rickita. that is the fifth step, is to actually just call us. Just all you have to do is do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these steps are very, very easy, very, very simple. It's about getting access to more dispute letters, because I don't want you guys totally dependent on me always doing it. I want you guys to have dispute letters. So once you learn how to do it, you can do a quick dispute letter and mail that thing in. You don't need to ask anybody anything. So I have you guys go ahead and get the package of letters. And the package of letters, I think, is under $70. It's very reasonable. And all the letters I always talk about is literally every letter I always talk about almost in this one package. So you don't have to worry about getting all of the different letters. Everything will be there. Get a free trial with Aura. It's a 14-day free trial with Aura. And that will give you access to looking at anything that's on the dark web. You need to know if your information is being compromised anywhere, because you need to know how much protection you guys are going to need, especially if your information is on the dark web. Next, I want you guys to get the Dollar Travel Identity IQ, where you guys will be able to get all 3 of your credit reports, which you guys will see here. This is what it would look like getting all 3 of your credit reports. This is what it's going to look like when I actually send you an analyzer if you're on my membership. But you will see all 3 of your credit reports actually lined up, so you can see all of the accounts that's actually on your credit reports. And then step number 4, I need you guys to complete the credit application. And then step number 5 is just to give us a call, so that we can actually go ahead and create those 6 months of dispute letters for you, and we can email them to you. Now, if you are like, hey, Rickita, don't email them to me, can you send them for me? Yes, there is a way we can send it for you. Just let our team know that, hey, I actually need you to mail them for me, and then we can actually mail them for you. Now, I suggest that you mail them certified. Okay. Now, the people that's a part of my exclusive credit membership, you don't necessarily have to worry about 6 months of free letters, because inside the exclusive credit membership, you guys already have access to getting any dispute letters that you need done. We already have access to get them mailed out for you, and we can mail them certified. They're called premium disputes. Okay. They're called premium disputes. Now, I do have a dollar trial that you guys can get signed up for. So I definitely suggest that. And let me give you guys a little hint. Starting June 7th, 2025, inside of, after you guys purchase the workbook, you guys are always, you guys are going to get a heavy discount on getting my exclusive credit membership at a great discount. So definitely go through there if you guys want a little hint to actually get that membership for even cheaper. I also have my credit 101, where I teach about credit. And also, it's a dollar trial for this. It's over 40 different downloadables available, dispute letters, worksheets, guides, checklists. I definitely suggest that you guys check this out and you guys actually sign up for this. It's going to be very helpful. And then too, I talk about credit cards all on my website. So definitely we want credit card, and I want you guys to get approved for credit cards. This is also something that we're going to go over, because I always tell people, have at least 4 credit cards and 2 installment accounts reporting on your credit reports. So I'm definitely going to go over these different credit cards, and I'm going to help you guys get approved for them. Now, if you like some of these credit cards, you can actually see other people that got approved, such as, say, if you like the Apple card, when you click on it, you're going to see other people that was able to get approved for the Apple card. So $2,500, $2,000, you can see other people that got approved. And you can also see similar cards on my website, Rickita.com. You can see similar cards too. So you can see right here, GM Rewards. If you click on GM Rewards, this is a similar card to Apple. You can see also more people that was able to get approved. Somebody was able to get approved for $7,500. So this is always what I'm talking about on the website. You can see I'm on my YouTube channel, but I want to make sure I put these approvals here, and you guys will have resources to get approved for credit cards. Also, the Discover It Cash Back, and maybe you like that one. Again, you can click on a name. Once you click on a name, you'll actually go to that blog, and you guys will be able to see information on how you guys can get approved for the credit cards. I go over each credit card. Hopefully my screen is not freezing too much. Sometimes when I'm clicking through it so fast and I'm recording my screen, it freezes. Hopefully it's not freezing. But you can see right here other people that was able to get approved for it. Now, sometimes you guys may see me talk about a credit card on YouTube. You can always search a credit card on my website, such as like Care Credit. So if you want to get Care Credit, you like, I hear Rickita talking about it. Let me look up Care Credit. I like Care Credit. Let me get it. definitely you can click on a care credit and you can see again more people that was able to get approved. $10,000, $8,200, $6,000, $5,000, $6,000, $4,600. So I definitely want you guys to check these things out. Okay, now on my main website Rickita.com, you guys will be able to schedule a call and you guys will see other dispute letters that I have available. I'm going to talk to you guys about utilization sheets. This is what I use to track my utilization on my credit cards, and I figure out which credit cards I need to pay. It's my utilization sheets that I actually use. So I want you guys to check out the utilization sheets and go ahead and get it. But listen, all of these letters, they're $27 a package. So we're looking at over $100. Again, remember I told y'all to get the free letters, what you have to do is do step one. I believe this thing is less than $70, and you're getting these letters plus more. You're getting all of these letters. You're getting the late payment letter, student loan letter, collection letter, charge off, bankruptcy letters. You're getting all of these letters plus more for less than $70. So don't overthink that. Definitely, I think that could be a great route for a lot of people. And again, if you guys want us to mail out letters, that can be a great way. As long as you do these steps here, this would be a great way to get inside of our exclusive credit membership and ask for us to mail them for you. And all you have to do is tell my assistant, hey, I want you to mail them for you, mail them for me, and I can help you get inside the exclusive credit membership by literally just following these simple steps. So I hope that you guys are motivated. I hope that you guys are ready. Go ahead and, oh, this is the back of the book. This is the back of it. I want you to make sure that you enjoy every step going forward is a win. Every day that you show up for yourself, you're rewriting your story, and then you're not starting over, you're starting stronger. I decided to do this because literally I told you guys last year I lost my brother, and I feel like I'm still not mentally there. And this was a great way for me to be more connected with the community, because I feel like I need a more community with you all. Doing these steps, I know I'm only on day 22, but I already love it. It's a great way I've been connecting to you guys, and I've been loving all of the steps. And I was so happy that I was able to put together this workbook that you guys can literally go to a page and fill it out. Okay, so this time we're talking about putting things on auto pay. Day 42, we're talking about putting all your credit cards on auto pay. And that's important because I've seen people literally have late payments just because they did not pay a $5 credit card. And you guys, that can really hurt your credit scores. And then also, we're talking about freeze your credit if you're not applying. We're talking about that. How to stop hard inquiries, how to remove them from your credit reports. Okay, so we're talking about a lot of things, and we even got our final review and where we're going to talk about how you actually boosted your credit score. So definitely make sure that you get a copy of your workbook. I'm so excited that the workbook is actually here. And again, there is a sneaky way to get a lot of discounts after you get the workbook. So definitely check it out. If you guys ever have any questions, you guys can call me at 833-RICKITA. I'll be happy to help you guys. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. I would love to go over this journey with you, and I love to see your results. So make sure you guys put them in the comments as you guys are getting them. See you soon.